To upgrade the wall's appearance and safety, Floor Dubai crafts an extensive range of heavy-duty wall base covers with easily maintainable materials. These boards ensure safety by protecting walls and resisting moisture. In addition, this type of wall treatment also enhances aesthetics by contrasting colors and architectural styles. Transform any room with sleek designs that blend seamlessly into your decor, giving your home the perfect finishing touch. Types of skirting boards: PVC skirting, MDF skirting, wood skirting, metal skirting. Our samples. What benefits do our skirting boards offer? Wall protection, easy maintenance, add property value.